So, this is a game of Revolver. I need Gabe, Josh, and Rachel to the front. Okay, do we need to go through the whole, like, clap up again, or do you guys remember, like, it
took so long.
You get real excited. All right, I need players to the front. All right, so in this game, we got 4 different scenes going on, and they're all in a revolving setting. So what will happen is we'll get 4 suggestions, and as we go through these different suggestions, I'll have them rotate through the different scenes, and then when we come back to them, time has progressed, and we'll see where those scenes have gone since we last saw them. It's kind of like when you were like changing channels on the remote back in the good old days before Netflix and DVR and stuff, and like you went to Dr. Phil, and then you went to Sesame Street, and when you back to Dr. Phil, they were all yelling at each other. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, so what we're gonna do is for Gabe and Rachel, I need a relationship that 2 people would have. I mean, you're not wrong. Let's rotate again. All right, now let's go through and review what we got.
Enemies. High school. Popcorn. Colorblindness.
Let's rotate one more time. All right. Okay. This is Game Revolver. Players, are you ready?
Yes. If I pull this lever, you will fall.
And I assume there's crocodiles at the bottom of the pit I'm going to fall into.
What? You know my thing is sharks. We've been enemies for 20 years.
I've been fighting someone else.
Rotate.
Yes, it would seem that according to my records online, you haven't turned in a thing all semester, and yet you dare to ask me for an A?
Yes.
And why, pray tell, do you think you deserve such a magnificent thing that could get you into numerous colleges?
Because my dad is rich and donates to the school.
That sounds about right, yeah.
Too real. Let's rotate.
You ordered the 2 popcorns?
Yes, that's me. Just gonna go.
Well, for 50 cents more, I can put a Hershey's chocolate bar inside of it.
Sure. I'm watching a movie by myself with 2 popcorns anyway, so.
For $1 more, I can put some Xanax in your popcorn.
I hear Endgame's long, and so.
50 cents more?
You know, you could just come with me to the movie.
For 50 cents more?
Nothing? You're not gonna give me anything for my extra 50 cents? Why did I even pay you anything?
Because my daddy's rich.
No!
Excuse me, sir. I can't seem to find the crosswalk. You see, I'm light-dark colorblind.
Never heard of such a thing. I'm surprised you can last in your life. Do you need help or something?
Oh, it's fine usually because things are different colors, but the road is just light and dark.
Okay, well, you're on the sidewalk now. Can you tell the difference between the sidewalk and the road?
Yes, there's a little bit of green here. That's grass. You are white.
Rotate left.
Oh, I love this part. This is the part where Thanos kicks their butt.
I haven't seen this yet. I don't know why you keep spoiling it for me.
Well, it's been out for like 3 months. You totally deserve it. But here, have some popcorn. Warning, it's got Xanax in it.
Oh, this got really interesting.
Rotate twice.
It's just, you used to be so much worse.
The counselor told us not to start sentences with the word you. I stole the Tower Bridge in London, which is different from London Bridge that had already fallen down.
The other guy roped down the International Space Station, and it's international.
With a lasso?
You get me the moon.
That's it, right?
this. I can't believe all these years later and you come back to me. Now with your doctorates.
Yes, I was able to buy my way through the doctorate, and now I can fire you for being rude to me.
I can't believe, I never thought that, accepting bribes for my entire career would ever be a bad idea.
That's right. I was created by the system to bring down the system.
Well, okay, tell you what. If you pay me a whole lot of money, I'll step down. How's that for a deal, instead of just firing me and keeping it all for yourself?
This is why I won and you flew off.
No.
Sorry.
No, I need this. You don't understand. Teaching's all I have. If I can't tell kids how to put laughter in a bottle as a physics teacher, then what am I going to do with my life?
I'm pretty sure if you're teaching them how to put laughter in a bottle, you've already wasted your life.
Rotate twice.
Sir, I don't know what to tell you. This is an Oreo McFlurry.
Are you sure?
Rotate 4 times.
All right, let's see if these new colorblind glasses work. What are these dark spots on the other side of your body parts? Shadows!
Wait. What is that animal over there?
A zebra!